My training methods with Penny is mostly what we refer to as an intuitive training method. Intuitive training is where we teach a dog very basic commands, just like you might teach your normal dog to sit or lay down. But a lot of Penny's work involves her just being involved with clients and using her own intuition on how she works with clients. This program with Penny that we started at Crisis Center North is very different from anything else that has been used. There are other dogs in the court systems throughout Pennsylvania and the country, and there are other dogs that work with counseling centers. But Penny is the first dog that we're aware of that has not been obtained from a service dog organization. So Penny was not formally trained as a service dog, so we don't necessarily instruct her on where to be during a therapy session or whether she should sit with a person or stay away from a person. We allow her to more use her natural instincts for that. And it's also really helpful in the training process because it helps her to learn, rather than asking her to sit and then forcing her to sit or using a leash to force her to sit down. We use methods like guiding her with treats or with a special toy that she enjoys, so that she's learning what we're asking her to do rather than us forcing her to teach her what to do, which makes her a lot happier and also just makes her want to learn more from us. So I think Penny's importance in the therapy sessions is that she helps the clients feel a lot more comfortable. Most of these clients have animals, or if they don't, they probably wish that they did. When we ask a client if they'd like to have her in the session and they agree, they get a real sense of comfort from her. Especially children seem to be a lot more comfortable to where they'll actually talk to the dog as opposed to talking to the therapist.
I like to teach her how to sit and lay down.
Go tell her to sit. Put your hand up. Hand up. Sit. Not all the way up. Right where she can see it. Sit. Now put it down to the ground. Say down. There you go. Take a treat. Now you drop it down on the ground. You say down.
Down.
Then you can throw the treat on the ground. She'll eat it.
I like that when you go like this, you kind of mean sit, so it's kind of easier to get it to go around like you. When you go like this, she sits, or like this down.
Now I want you to put your palm out to her like you're telling somebody to stop, and tell her stay.
Stay.
Now we're going to back up away from her. And then I want you to tell her, come, Penny, come. So Penny is very instrumental, especially with children, in the fact that she allows them to open up. She makes people feel more comfortable in the sessions. Just petting a dog lowers your heart rate, lowers your blood pressure, and releases oxytocin, which is a relaxing hormone in your body. So just being with the dog is very calming and soothing for people. In the courtroom setting, although Penny is not aggressive and does not have any aggressive tendencies towards anybody, nor does she have any type of protection training, just having a dog with the people make them feel a lot more comfortable in the presence of the perpetrators. Right now, Penny is getting up in years. She's 8 years old now, so the center is considering adding a second therapy dog, getting one started in training. I think every counseling situation, be it an outpatient or an inpatient setting, could definitely benefit from the services of a therapy dog. We've been invited, all over the country to speak about the way that we've trained Penny and the method that we've used, because it just produces a different type of dog.